there? Focus, Puppy. What about the boat?
Today... Lie on the candy. Lie on the candy. Today is the first day of the life of your rest. That's what I...
Lay out. Jacqueline, I'm having some tourists with my 3-hole punch. Jacqueline. Out of the way! I'm trying to get somewhere as quickly as possible.
You sound like that banker.
Hello? Anybody here? Hello?
Yes. Yes. Yes.
I just love hospitals.
I used to.
I brought my opera glasses. They were an anniversary gift from my wife.
While you're here, you ought to have someone take a look at that coach, buddy.
Cough.
Ladies.